showing you a simple setup I use to scalp the market for up to 10 to 20 candles, between 5 to 20 candles safely. And it's a very simple setup, guys. So let's go into it. All right, on my screen here, I am on the 1 minute time frame on boom 1000 index. All right, so by the way, I use this strategy to scalp on boom 1000, crash 1000, and boom 500. I've been using on them and it's working perfectly well if you follow the rules as I'm going to tell you in this video, guys. All right, so this is not the price action strategy. We use indicators. That's why you can see the indicator window one right here. All right, so now how does it work and what are the indicators we use? We use we need just two indicators in the indicator window one, that is the RSI, relative strength index, and the alligator indicator. All right, so let's go to the settings before I forget to show you the settings. So let's go to the settings first. All right, so as you can see, we have, this is the indicator window one, and this relative strength index, this is the first indicator you have to add to your MT5. All right, you can see the period is 1, it is applied to close. The style is 1 pixel, the color of my background. So if you any color used for your background, change this style to that color. Then the levels are just level 20, 50, 30, 70, and 80. You can edit here after you click the pencil icon there. All right, so you use this plus sign here to add levels. All right, so and it is applied to all time frames. Then after that you press done, guys. So the next one is the alligator. You add the alligator, then these are the settings you will use. You use the jaws period is 60, the jaws shift is 8, the teeth period is 10, teeth shift is 0, lips period is 10, and the lips shift is 1. Method is linear weight. It is applied to median price in bracket HL all over 2. All right, and the styles, I used 4 pixel for the jaw style and with the blue color. I use a blue color for it. Then the teeth style is the color of my background. We don't need it. But the lip style, we used the green color, and I use 4 pixel. You can decide to use any pixel you want, but use any pixel that will be bold enough for you to see the line clearly. All right, and it is also applied to all time frames. Then after that, press done. If you're not able to get it as I think I'm perhaps fast, you just have to take a screenshot of these things and enter them correctly into your MT5. All right, guys, so that is it. And let's go into the strategy, how it works. All right, on my screen here, I want to show you how I apply it. So guys, what we're waiting for now is just to, what we would want to wait before we go into a trade, what we have to see is we want to see this green. Hold on, let me get this my arrow tool out here. All right, so all we need to see is this. Oh, sorry, I think I need to go down for the indicator window one. So we need to see the green line crossing over the blue line and pointing downwards. There has to be a crossover between the green line and the blue line at level between 70 or between 70 and 100. Once you notice a crossover between level 70 and level 100, then you go in for a sell. You can scalp up to 15, 20 candles, 5 candles depending, but just need to play safe. 10 candlesticks is okay, guys. And then that is it. Let's just backtest and confirm it what is working actually, guys. All right, see one here. At this point, I think I use the hair tool, cross hair tool to be a little faster. Okay, let me get this other tool here. Or you can see this way it crossed, guys. One moment, it's too thick. All right, yes, that is where it crossed. And if you use the crosshair tool, you discover this thing should be around this region. Hold on, guys. Let me use the crosshair so that I can get the exact point where it happened. This way it happened, you can see. So this is where we had the crossover. Let's say after the crossover, you enter the trade. Look at from this point. If you look at the price down here, Let's look at the price so that we know the number of candlesticks it has taken so far. The price at this point, the time is about 13:10. That is 10 minutes past 1. That's 10 minutes past 1. Let's see how many candlesticks it took. All right, and know that each candlestick is 1 minute, represent 1 minute. So from that point up till down to here, this is about 14:29. It's over an hour, guys. It's over an hour. So you can just take 20 candlesticks and you're out of the market. Once there is a crossover between the green and the blue, above the 70 level, from 70 level up, that's when you go in for the trade. Let's continue back testing, guys. All right, see another opportunity here, guys. See, from here it's going down, and you see this is 10:44. If you look down, you see this is 10:44. Hold on, it's 10:44. I think I should use this other. Let me see if I can move this around. Okay, good, I can move it. All right, this is 10:44, guys. Now this 10:44, let's see where it took it to. From 10:44, and this is 11:50 something. It's over 1 hour, guys. See, from 10:44. From here, okay, let's just stop before the where he got the first spike. 10:44 down to here is already 11:18. Over 20 minutes, guys. Over 20 minutes. So you can get the 20 minutes easily and you step out of the market. Let's continue checking. See another opportunity here, guys. See another one here. This one, you can see it can give more than 30 candlesticks, more than 40 candlesticks. Let's continue checking, guys. This one here, this one didn't give much, but I think it can give up to 10 candles from where it was before it got the first spike. That is 7:34 till this is 7:47. About 13 candlesticks, guys, before the first spike came out. Before the first spike came out, about 13 candlesticks. So, guys, that is just it for this strategy. You just need to see the crossover at the this thing, how do they call it, from the 70 above 70 level, then you go in for the trade. As you can see, this alligator, the two lines in my indicator in the one, they are moving as I am trying to drag around because I am back testing. So what you do, once you just wait for the current price, and once you see the crossover, you go in. Back test it on your on your demo account first, and you'll see it works, guys. It works 99%. Okay, let me just 90% of the time it works. Look at this one here. From here it works, guys. It works a lot of times. It works a whole lot of times, guys. So see, look at it here. This is, and if you notice the market is ranging, I will just advise you step out of the market and wait. You can confirm that from my higher time frame. All right, see this point, and it is going down. So the chances, let's say you go in for this, you apply this strategy to trade, out of 10 times, at least 7 times you'll be correct. You will make good money with 7 times. And you know, any strategy that is 70% is one of the best strategies ever, because people are even looking for 60%. That's what traders are looking for. You can see all those opportunities I'm showing you in the market. So that's how we use it. Just wait for a crossover on this. All right, so let's also check it on crash 1000. Crash 1000. All right, so we are on crash 1000 now, guys. for this one, since we are going to buy crash, we have to wait for the crossover to happen at the 20 level, from 30 level down. From 30 level, if you find the crossover within this zone between the 30, from 20 20 and below 20, if you find the crossover at that point, then you can go in for your buy trade, guys. So that is how it works. Let's just backtest and see what happens. This one happened exactly at the 30 level, and you can see I think it can still give 20 candlesticks from here. This is 145 till where we'll have the first spike. This is 207, that's 1406, I mean, and this is about 20 candlesticks, and let's check also. Let's continue checking. You can use this strategy to catch spikes, but I don't want to go into that today so that the video won't be too long. Another crossover here. This is at 1028 before the first spike, and this is 11:00. That is how many spikes, how many candlesticks? 28. That is about 32 candlesticks, and you only just 10 to 20 and you're out of the market, guys. Let's continue back testing. See another crossover right here. There's another crossover here. You see it's long, guys. This is another one, guys. See another one here, guys. See, it's working. It works perfectly well. It works, guys. It works. We just need to practice these things and see how it works and master it. Like I used to tell you, all my strategies, just to try. Look at this one. There was a very big spike after, but after the spike, the market still went back up and it was consolidating, a kind of ranging. If you go to a higher time frame, you see it ranging, guys. All right, here's another opportunity here. Another opportunity here. All right, so there are several opportunities in the market, guys. Several opportunities that will help you make good money using this signal, this strategy, guys. So what I will suggest you do, I don't want to make this video longer than I actually wanted to. I would want you to backtest it or practice with your demo account. I remember while I was learning this trading, I used to go to YouTube to get strategies. When I see a strategy, I practice them. Most of the time, I do not want to use exactly what I see. I mean, like the number of candlesticks that I saw in the video. Like right now, I'm telling you 10 to 20 candlesticks is possible, good. But if you want to be a conservative trader, guys, you may not need to wait for 20 candlesticks. With this strategy, 5 candlesticks is very, very possible. 5 candlesticks is, and you don't see. There's a time I made up to 250 USD within a few hours. I was only trading 3 candlesticks. So now, if you can get up to 10 candlesticks, up to 5 candlesticks, you can make any money. Mind you are on the 1 minute time frame, and you are not just trading on one market. You are trading on 1,000, crash 1,000, and 500. So guys, these opportunities will come more than 20 times in a day. You just need to have some money. Then, as a scalper, it's risky, and you need to. So you may want to, So you may just need to increase your lot size, like depending on your account. I'm not asking you to overload your account. You see, but based on the fact that you want to make good profit every day, guys, and you are getting up to 5 candlesticks for you with 1,000. If you use 1.0, I think the margin that is required should be around 25. About 25 or so. Meaning if you have up to 50 USD on your balance and you trade 1.0, about 25 margin, and you trade for 5 minutes, I think you should get about close to 3 USD. About 3 USD. So imagine you do that for up to like 5 times in a day. That's about 15 USD, and you're not just doing on 1,000 alone. You'll be doing on crash 1,000 and boom 500 also, guys. So you don't need to allow it to get to 20 candles. Once you get up to 5 candlesticks, guys, you can just close 5 or 10 candlesticks. You are out of the market, and do it repeatedly. And I promise you, at the end of the day, you'll be very profitable, guys. You need to take greed away from this thing, because one of the major things that make people to lose money in trading is greed. Guys. So thanks for watching this video, and I promise to be giving you quality contents. And please subscribe and like this video to encourage me the more. And also, see you in this video, guys. Peace out.